Good morning. Today is Saturday. Oh, I don't really know. Maybe the 14th. You know me, I forget these dates. Anyway, I am taking the RV over to be serviced and get that awning put on. So, taking you guys along with me. It's early morning, and I am going to need my sunglasses since the sun is shining, and I am driving to the east into the sunrise with my RV. So, whew, I cannot see. Anyway, it's probably not gonna stay on me because the DJI cannot follow it, and I just found this out after having it for a year or two. Cannot follow your face if you are in 4K at 60 frames per second. So keep that in mind, folks. First stop, 7-Eleven. Second stop, Snower's Lot, grab the RV. Third stop, bikes. So I decided to stop at the Marathon at my corner, and I'm glad I did because for the first time in probably, I don't know, 15 years, I forgot my phone. And now I only have to go a half mile back. But when I went to 7-Eleven, I'd have been 3 miles out, so. Ooh, military police are getting gas. All right, folks. I'm already behind. And there's a bunch of broken glass here, yay. All right, so I'm gonna take the back way in to my house, grab my phone. All right, trailer's on the back. Yeah, I'm just making a little bit of groaning and moaning. It's supposed to be the quietest, one of the quietest hitches out there, and it sure isn't. Oh man, this is real rough. I haven't even left the storage lot yet. I should be checking all 4 tires before I hit the road, but I'm a little out of time, and I don't know where my gauge is. I mean, come on, I already forgot my phone. I'm not used to being up this early anymore. Oh, you know, the other thing, check your brakes before you hit the road. You know what, the tire doesn't look too bad, so. Anywho, it'll take me about 40 some odd minutes to get out the mics, and we'll get everything done. So I'm trying something a little new today. I mean, I know Coke brought out a bunch of new products and flavors, and today I am doing Pepsi Mango Zero, and I'm liking it. Yes. This is not a product endorsement at all, but I do like it. A little different. I taste more mango than I do soda, so yeah. Just waiting for my green arrow. No traffic around. Yeah. Oh well. All right. Well, it is the first time we've been on the highway since we added the Hellwig rear stabilizer. I am doing 60, which is my comfortable, happy speed. And before, you know, we were bouncing off the white lines here on the highway. I still get a little bit of pull here or there when a big truck or something passes me, but world of a difference. And you know, if any of you are towing with an Excursion, you know what I'm talking about. These things are just all over the road when there's trailers on the back. And so I'm quite pleased. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the Hellwig front steer stabilizers on or not. I mean, they're 180 bucks. Maybe I should just do it. I don't know if it'll make an improvement or not. If anyone has the Hellwig front steer stabilizers on their Excursion or their Super Duty, you know, let me know what you think. And even going over this bridge here, that was extremely bumpy. It's a lot better. So I still wouldn't take it much more over 65. I mean, right now I'm coasting down the hill, and you know, so anywho. And it's always windier out this way. I-94, even though it's a east-westbound highway, at this point in Michigan, it heads northeast. And we're so close to the water, it just seems like there's always wind here. And especially after you pass M59, it seems like it gets a little bit heavier, no matter what. I don't know. Anywho. Yeah, so anyway, I am almost to very happy that I stopped.